Hi there, Stanton here from Algotrading. Today I'm introducing to you the Larry Connor's RSI2 trading strategy. This is a very basic strategy and it's also one of my favorites. So let's take a look at the code. The strategy looks at the RSI, and if the RSI is greater than the RSI level up, in this case I've set to 90, and the close of the previous candle is below the slow moving average, a sell signal is entered into. If the RSI is less than the RSI level down, in this case it's 10, and the close of the previous candle is above the slow moving average, then a buy trade is entered into. The original Larry Connor's RSI strategy uses the 200-day moving average. I've adapted it a little bit to be a scalping strategy and changed the moving average to be the 55-day exponential moving average, and we keep the RSI2 the same. We have the standard management input parameters, as well as the maximum buy, maximum sell positions. And then you've got your slow moving average settings, which we have set to the 55-day moving average with the exponential smoothing type. And the RSI settings is set to RSI2. And then also you could set which days and your trading times you'd like to trade. Okay, so we're going to run this. We're going to run it on the 1 hour time frame for the last year, every tick, and on the Euro USD. Okay, so let's run this. And I'm just going to get ready to pause when it gets into a trade. Okay, so as you can see here, this was a losing trade. I recommend putting a very tight stop loss and take profit. Use this as a scalping strategy because there is chances that the trade goes the other way. But let's see this. Yeah, so you could see this is your 55-day moving average and the RSI. So the close of the previous candle was below the 55-day moving average, and the RSI2 was above 90. So a sell trade was entered into. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's look for pause. There we go. So now, yeah, this one. The close of the previous candle was above the 55-day moving average, and the RSI2 period was below 90, below 10. As you can see there, it's 4.19. So it's below 10, then a buy trade is entered into. Let's just slow this down quickly and we'll let it run. Okay, we could go a little bit faster than that. So as you can see, I've got quite a tight stop loss here because this is a high risk strategy and there is a chance that the trades turn against you. So I'd keep a tight stop loss and take profit as quickly as you can. So you can see, there we go, we've got the trailing stop following it, and there's a profitable trade. And let's just see now, once it hits this, go, stop loss following. So having the trailing stops helps you maximize your profits on the trades. And it's going to come down and it's taken profit. Okay, so let's just speed this up. We can look at the graph. So that is the basic strategy. Let's just take a look at the graph. Now remember, this is running from the beginning of this year on the 1 hour time frame. The default settings are for the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. The other inputs we have here, so we've got 40 pip stop loss and a trailing stop of 5 pips. The trailing step is just is set to above the trailing stop, which just means that only the trailing stop will be used, and we're only risking 5% of our free margin. And should we come to the end soon? So it's slightly choppy, but you could see we're never really achieving any big sort of drawdowns. Your equity and your drawdown stays relatively in the same path. Okay, so that's the end of the test. Let's have a look at our back test. So a net profit of 12,476 with initial deposit of 10,000 after 1 year. We've got our balance drawdown of 10% and our equity drawdown of 11%, which is fairly low risk. Okay, so that's the Larry Connors RSI2 strategy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember, all of our algos plus source code are available for purchase from our website. You could access that by clicking the Algotrading store icon at the top of my YouTube page, or go to algotrading.co.za/shop. Please remember to like and share my videos, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Goodbye.